I followed a professional bodybuilder's diet for 2 full weeks, and what I discovered completely changed how I think about building muscle. Have you ever looked at a professional bodybuilder's plate and thought, if I just eat like that, I'll finally look like them? I believed the exact same thing until I decided to test it for myself. Massive meals, strict meal timing, almost zero junk food. Every bite had a purpose. But the biggest lesson had nothing to do with chicken and rice. Most people think bodybuilders eat huge amounts of food because they're always hungry. Wrong. They eat with purpose, not simply to feel full. Very quickly, I realized there's a huge difference between eating for comfort and eating to fuel performance. On day one, I expected the hardest part to be the amount of food. It wasn't the food, it was the schedule. Every few hours, another meal. No guessing, no skipping, no excuses. At first, it felt like my entire day revolved around eating. Then I asked myself, how often do I normally eat simply because it's convenient? I also assumed every meal had to be gigantic. But surprisingly, most meals were balanced: lean protein, measured carbs, healthy fats, and vegetables. Nothing magical, just incredible consistency. Building muscle is like building a brick wall. Every meal becomes another brick. By day 5, something unexpected happened. My energy became stable. No crashes, no random hunger, no constant snacking. That's when I realized meal timing isn't only about muscle, it's about steady fuel. Most people chase the perfect meal. Professionals chase the perfect routine. Yes, there was plenty of protein, but the real secret was spreading it throughout the day. Your muscles respond much better to consistent nourishment than one massive dinner. But here's what most people completely miss. They copy the food without copying the habits. Meal prep, portion tracking, sleep, training, hydration. Those simple habits create real transformation. By the second week, my cravings almost disappeared because I was fueling my body before hunger took over. Every meal had a job: support recovery, provide energy, or control calories. Ask yourself, does your food have a purpose, or are cravings making your decisions? I didn't become a professional bodybuilder in 2 weeks, but I gained discipline, better energy, stronger habits, and a completely different mindset. The real secret wasn't eating like a bodybuilder, it was thinking like one. Plan ahead, stay hydrated, stay consistent, because true power and lasting transformation are built through hundreds of good decisions repeated every single day.